This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
Top position last season, this season things have not been well, but in terms of individuals, they've not been bad. So watch the long staff. If you've watched Saint Mazima, the likes of Zaha Mobono, Nicholas Pepe Mobolo, Kai Havertz, he is in that class, and the quality is just in doubt, not in doubt. The likes of J. Makilo, Michael Ritchie, Karen Clark, and all those guys, Sergio, they've not been bad. But as I said, Manchester United former players now coaching now, Sergio, Modibonu Sheni. Intia now do team with Omaya and Edin. Steve Bruce, our experience in the EPL, coaching several teams. But again, so we changing hands now. Pursue team Nicoya. My example of Marcus, a former Manchester United student, Gary Neville, Peter Lem with Valencia, and Koya and far more money now. So now take over Nabano. Newcastle with enough money to go to the market and fish out for top quality. And they also almost sending message just like PSG sending a message, just like Manchester City sending a message, and then the bit team more compete with the very best, the likes of Chelsea moving team here. So you need a top class coach to start building your project for you. A coach, I'll bet Fafon Afro players say, this is Antonio Conte, me person Obana BC Akamame, and players Bemo Moiha, no Baba BC Akan at the amount. So it's so sad for Steve Bruce. A lot of people know when you send Kobeka near the Sikama and Amani, the Akofa players. But what can you say? You need to go out there and fit for a top quality coach. I'll be Timmy Miki Amen for you. And yes, sir, before Obi say Jack, no Newcastle Echo relegation. So sad, but better luck to Steve Bruce next time. And now remember the here reaction after Omolusu to AS Espanyol at the corner de Prat 0-0 game against Villarreal. Omolusu 2-1 to FC Sheriff no Nyanyema Enkoyi. Intina pressure back Carlo Ancelotti so until now here a reaction. And Obia who say Carlo Ancelotti Nemrante and a back. And again, Omoko copy more venue the last Omoko P Mohono and Yemamuya de Ma Omo, especially when they even had their very best of centre backs last season. But now here players are betting me mad that reaction now be a pen also at Miabaso. And clearly it was a night for the youngsters. Or they go the goals and then Abrante IFN Vinicius Junior. Luka Modric in midfield, MOBM who say, oh, he has so been managing the game time, no diamano. But when he is fit, you have a perfect playmaker in him, and I'll set up the tone on my passes with both left and right. Now, in him stepping in a number of times on the my passes, no, you love to watch Luka Modric and watch him again. Karim Benzema up front and social quality and personality, always making sure say Obe yeah Jumadin the Ama Vinicius and Rodrigo at the heart of the Madrid front three, no, and near Jumas do. Oh yeah, but all in all, it was Vinicius Junior who stole the headlines yesterday at the Stadium Olimpijski. The goal now, she and said, "Joe, this is a top class goal. I'll be now from a very few players. Now look at the step overs, look at the body feint, look at the spinning, and look at the technique or the ball at two at them. This is what you get from a proper Brazilian." And Abrante Nache said, "This season will grow in the Spanish La Liga, will grow in the UEFA Champions League. Now in the fluke." So we check players on my crab ball and take players on in the Champions League before another game no first, and in this game wasn't adding so much. We only hope so obey in G3 no be stay focused because Obama the next season and will be who quality are all shown up front. Carlo Ancelotti is getting the best out of him, and I know difference as a Joe. I coach is my Zidane man a chance in some few games, especially in the second half. In the first season, things were very tough for him. Pastor Joe, he's on the right track, and the player is focused now. And BBH, Madrid for no. When it comes to the Champions League, Omar Saba back with Toni Kroos, Casemiro, and Luka Modric. You need to watch out for them again. Enra, the Wanda Metropolitano.
See Bruce, who is pocketing £8 million? Yeah,
and one also
pay off.
Yes.
Sikaba.
Yeah. Yes. Instead Safranco Mutim no so Manchester United players be on board in as do. Who the team will be team coach. Into the class of 92 no more at Yamon. And no the wonder. Now another heavyweight contest and a battle between Liverpool and then Atletico Madrid. Nani Akasa in the last 4 times Liverpool I tried to visit ATM at Wada Vicente Cadron at the one that Nema Nkuye Famo. But the moment you want the three back of Felipe, Manuel Hamoso, and then Geoffrey Kondobiano, you say Salah Benya an off day, and then was in the first 20 minutes, not the defense of Atletico Madrid, Elukusheki. Because a new rower, Yadiama Geoffrey Kondobia, because Jose Maria Jimenez wasn't fit for this particular game and no beating me and started. I feel no French labor. So he only needed a makeshift centre backer, Yadi holding player and a left footed player. In Tiasha's name more Yadin, Ediama, a ATM, a defense, no. Carrasco Bakakra, Thomas Lima Bakakra, but again, most Salah say ne form now, these are not the players to stop him, especially playing a left wing backer. Only a typically defensive minded, obey me a mouth, that body check, that close end, obey me a winning tackles, no, on that particular side. And on Saladin, first goal. Again, the second goal was sumptuous and brilliant from Abrante and Abikita. On also by Liverpool, no. Onya full time to deliver the quality no be any sort of the but in some few games what Chelsea and body and look at that goal from him again a Chelsea and the defense of Atletico Madrid no 80 minutes settled here there was so much pressure on them Sergio almost settled no obia who quality on the buy on obia who Abrante fan or go the Paul they will not see spray passes no and no trouble on to the high line defensive plan of ATM Liverpool and Joao Felix Sergio what you say on so bad is gradually picking up and check a coin how fast so pick a ball from the left for the second goal. Griezmann again and so a shows that he is formidably fit for the counter-attacking scheme in the Enra or Majo Matip and Virgil van Dijk a hell of a time and check kind of fast so that 2 goals more Edema Aitima your friend Atletico Madrid. It was just unfortunate say penalty omunya and it was a right call because me will say Manuel Hamoso and me am on homodia or that penalty no by ATM na a similar penalty the Griezmann red card said you now Abrante no one decided it wasn't intentional but what can you say referee believe we said it was a red card and then no the man Zlatan ya similar it was the FC Portugal but referee Dr. Felix Bridge the yellow card Zlatan Ibrahimovic. So the numerical advantage, you know, and a working for team, your friend Liverpool. I've not seen a team exposing Liverpool defense and their team in the last 2 seasons. They said the ATM, you know, creating decent chances, one-on-one chances, begging chances. But again, Yannick Carrasco and other players and me and Fabona and towards them, you know, not jogging club and then Emrantiano, a team and that famous victory from the Wanda Metropolitano at team with 9 points on that particular logo. AC Milan 0, ATM 4, but again it was Mo Salah. But for me, it was Alisson Becker who stole the show yesterday. The Alisson that I know from AS Roma, the Alisson that I saw in the Liverpool versus Tottenham Hotspur in the final at the Wanda Metropolitano, no, and no be them who Alisson, and Rano. Excellent point blank saves. The timing was just spot on, and so hey, even this one with Zlatan dia or no so Mbembani, but Zlatan you know was yellow card na referee no. Dr. Felix Bridge Demano, unlike the Griezmann Koya and also Itimi Eman Reka. So you over Liverpool about so the 2 English teams or my bomb artists and said you me and then you give it to them for getting those maximum points. PhD no be any say assuming munya dem fa momo Basajo assuming ye den after almost first go from Kylian Mbappe up team friend RB Leipzig the cover back ebeti sande ba ko kan on na Christopher Nkuku again echere Senanko say PhD for man a chance bebrebe we had the chance on the likes of Rafinha and Julian Draxler until onya chance no si o ma sajo o chere the bobre emobi en say Abrante no ne modebo eso any but what can you say say oh Mbappe now Messi after now leave space bebreba said you take advantage of that and then on your idea Mbappe ni Messi at the buyer win here by 3 goals to 2. There were so many question marks on the defense of AT my friend APJ Ashraf Hakimi Dabreho personal campaign Dabreho no said you every bia so much and there's not so much midfielder beating their from their hold you up stabilizing the defense no for PSG but the personality up front and they make changes no at the team amount and the game say Barcelona
well, people say a simple question be Minimum say one tia. Please ask Andy for me. What should Man U do? Do right to come back to their normal position. I say when I say we go advise Ole Gunnar Solskjaer.
My advice no me say last is no me team back up. No me say last 2 seasons no me team in one. Me share omo team na am say they will need a personality up front. They will need an elite striker. Omo team they are competing because teams are not omo competing now, and the measuring rod in the Premier League is Manchester City. So you need an elite forward. And I'm going to fire Cavani by. Obien who Cavani by na Jumo Babe last season at the Baby Rim. Now at a point, baby no medruno. They will need personalities or more the mental fortitude or more the experience or more TV in top level football. No matter me the abuamu. And I'm going for Rafael Varane and I'm going for Cristiano Ronaldo Edenaba. I'm maintaining Edison Cavani. Now so when you players in all departments with that depth. The Oyan so be a very good coach. O materials now no. Obetimi asisa with that team play and cohesion. No metimi ama results on the field of play. Unfortunately, players no materials no available. Manchester United with the resources or more the money betimi they are motivating their players, increasing their salaries and enough bonuses from the momo. But unfortunately, they don't have a very good technical handler on the bench. They have a typically attacking minded players coached by a defensive-minded coach. That is Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. And the only solution to Manchester United problem is sack Ole Gunnar Solskjaer and go in for a top-class coach that can manage the materials. Manchester United, Conte Tifie train, Zinedine Zidane Tifie train, and said, I feel said that is the only solution to the United problems.
I see.
And the games in Barcelona said not so many difficult games in Barcelona.
Yeah.
But me can't say from baby I'm now. Manchester United they bought against Atlanta. And more BRM fee say United in some na kano. Almost to young boys and almost share 8 team in front of Villarreal in the last minute. Into almost 2 games someone in the Champions League said you almost 3 points. In the Premier League and Yema Enko Yemfa and they are coming with a backdrop say Omuko Lusu 4-2 at the King Power Stadium. Now so shit my friend Atlanta. Almost somebody bono said they've not been bad at all. And Omona are first on the table with 4 points. They are yet to lose a game in the Champions League. Omababa without Rafael Tuloy, they are standout centre back. Omotre back on the same film, Omababa without him. They will play without Matthew Pessina. They are mercurial playmaker. Obaba share Papi Gomez and them. Abra Papi Gomez, a free almost starting lineup him. They will be playing without these 2 players. But again, they have Demarel, they have Lavato. And said you more Palamino, almost betting me outside the Trebac Media Momo. Joaquin Mele is still available, Mardi Ron, Zappacosta, and Robert Frela in midfield in the 3-4 and attack of Duvan Zapata, Omo Abrantia Ben Melanovsky, and again, they have Abrantia Fen Elias betting me as support to Omo up front. Manchester United players, it depends on plan a coach Fen Ole Gunnar Solskjaer at the back. If you decide to go in for a 3-back or the materials are available. If you decide to go in for the 4-2-3-1 or the materials are available. But me sure so Ben Saye Kakra the game when they come back against Leicester City. Fred is likely to come back. Marcus Rashford is expected to start on the left with Mason Greenwood and then Paul Labili Pogba or probably Cristiano Ronaldo at the top. And on say say Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Atlanta a team has said you almost so a more different plan, and from Gianpiero Gasperini, he can decide to possess, he can decide to hit you on the break. But again, it is a team that is well composed, very calm, and decide to build from their midfield play. And then maybe a the ball. But so against Manchester United in the Champions League, you only need to relax and make sure. So the front 3 of Rashford, he comes in with pace, goals. Greenwood comes in with pace and goals, and then skill. But Ronaldo comes in with positional sense, personality, experience, and quality up front. And only had the ever anymore. Until 3-back no, and the word you must saw Mube, Zappacosta and Kobe, Joaquin Mele and Kobe. But the 2 fullbacks and him so almost set up, almost add up to 8 my friend Atlanta no, the attacking play. Again, Manchester United against strikers that are very fast and stronger, almost bread. into Kelechi Iheanacho in the game against Leicester City. Gerard Moreno in that game against Villarreal. Almost struggle kakra, and again they will be coming against one of the standout strikers in the Italian Serie A in recent times in Duvan Zapata. Into Harry Maguire mo besen ya double work and aye adwuma no e Old Trafford. So it is a game that I see it at 50-50. I foresee both sides to score. Say win Beba, I'm going for United. But again, I foresee a team from Atlanta say I'm betting me up at least a draw at the Old Trafford because Lansing Old Trafford new, but it depends on the plan and how we see a shape up at the back.
Okay. And then I'm say yeah game be pulu nkofo akọ TV set. This is bia the back of Man U na okoye Man U game or Chelsea game. And now who be
that is true. Yes. Benfica Bayern Munich. Benfica playing Bayern Munich. You have Lille versus Sevilla. Lille Sevilla is just like Dortmund Ajax. Two talent factory and a Kwakusha. Benfica for Kwakusha say almost after 2 games on my board, almost 4 points. Bayern I say it goes to be a team no more. Goes on match and another. So almost try back of Luka Verissimo, Otamendi, and then Guillaume Vertonghen. Almost check almost try home. I check almost experience on how they will fare against Robert Lewandowski, Serge Gnabry, Thomas Muller, and then all those guys are almost so for months to my perfra. Almost she goes to know for 8 team friend Bayern Munich. Chelsea playing against Mamu FF Sedo. You can only hope Chelsea play at home. They will beat him a friend at Mamu FF. And it's not a difficult game. Zenit versus Juventus. So Alvaro Morata is back. Zenit Omalusu for some 6 months on Omalusu game. But the last we saw she for now so 2-1. And Tineman Koyim from Claudino Wendell and the likes are games normally real. Said the okay games and no be a Liverpool against a ATM no be a rush so be game na. And he never say and most like Europa games and the but it has always been Champions League. But me sure Atlanta and Manchester United say be my Champions League night.
Okay.
A very difficult one. A match clearly fit for the goals. And me sure said both teams no on my quality are resist standard no to the Champions League level.
All right. Okay. Juventus needs in a game no a game power. 6-3-3.
Yes.
Juventus 6.
Yes.
Chelsea 3, Zenit 3. And as that name who's to Juventus.
Yes.
Or Russia.
Yes. So much a
big game,
very, very big.
Yes.
Say Zenit 8 mission you are. Do we back 6. Zenit will come to 6.
Sure.
If Chelsea beat Mamu FF, Chelsea to be 6. In TSA, who are who matches in the advantage. So what should you before now? I'm man picking you this season. But kakra. So show game now you not love it. So show Chelsea need Juventus when in your home cry. So show Roma need Juventus when in your home cry. But she need not bench Mazi Allegri and your board friend of Babebo. He's just ready to grant the results. And the game number one, the only advantage for them. The same Koye Federico Chiesa and Moise Kenkwa. Alvaro Morata is back. Into one del Mu Jumaya at the back to stop them. Again, Zenit and so materials are almost here very fast and very swift to run at any defense. Into Malcolm, Claudinho, Douglas Santos will be on the left, Wendell will be on the right, and Jameford is very, very choked. Into Juve knows how to shut down the shop and they know how to take advantage and they have experience in such particular occasion. So it's a very difficult game, but with Juve experience, now I think it's our best strategy game as favorite.
No manager can ever manage ATM better than Diego Pablo Simeone. That man is a chief tactician. He was a man down, but you couldn't even notice it. I love your shoe, Sergio. Hi to Andy. Okay, we Kobe, and anyway, and so Abrey. And
Sergio, and you're on one. Such a touch of coaches in the and you're on one. Jose would do just exactly Diego Pablo Simeone is doing. Now, Sergio, the way I almost shut up shop, no, and I almost see bad game, Yana F. Clearly, we say players not the system now. And let's not forget, and check Crown and I'm charging time coaches in him how almost see your mother and how almost see your Medimon or Park. So only Marcelo Bielsa comes in with a philosophical ideas or Modeba or border attacking play. And let's not forget Diego Simeone or Yenejuma Ocean idea or Atletico Madrid. Oko Italy na sanko suya ade na ode ababe pimo ne plan on the place let ya say o ma keep shape now from Diego Godin Felipe Luis Juan Fran Torres e dia ababe sine but ne plan de Jose will do exactly that for Atletico Madrid.
Okay.